Yo, that is guys, this smart concept, and I'm so sorry, guys. I've not been putting out content because of that. Every week we'll be dropping behind the scene, light setup. Also, we'll be dropping retouching tutorials, and also how you can navigate through your Photoshop and achieve great images. Not just Photoshop, other retouching software, other color grading software. It's also, and also if you don't subscribe to my channel, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Click on the subscribe button right there, like this video, share this video, invite your friends. Also comment whenever you see I drop tutorials and behind the scenes stuff. Comment, tell me what next you want to see me do, and I assure you guys I will try my possible best, I and my team, to put that together for you all to see. And if you're having any challenge in terms of photography, retouching, or you can just drop in the comment section, or you can reach out to me via the description below on one-on-one mentorship. And also, we are ready. I and my team, we are ready for retouching service. If you have a bulk, tons of work you really want to retouch internationally and locally, if you have works you want to retouch and color grading, or you can reach out to me via the description below or through my mail, then fine, we'll get that done within the next 24 hours. As the time you sent it, within the next 24 hours, we get your pictures ready. Just subscribe and see you in our next video. Thank you.